Hey guys, Everything RC here. Up in the woods again. This time actually legit hunting. Gonna give a shout out to Wyatt again. Go check his channel out. Keep calm and wheelie. Gosh, just blanked out a second there. Today is a very unusual day. It's a very nice day. It's January right now, and it's freaking like 55, 60 degrees out. Today it was just an absolutely amazing day for hunting already. I'm not even done yet. Yeah, you see that over there? It's like a 20-pound freaking raccoon that I shot. I mean, it was massive. I got one rabbit and a gray squirrel in my back right now. So I'd say it's been pretty darn good. I'll show you the gun I'm using. Weatherby 28 gauge autoloader. Really good gun. I love it. Yeah, I'm just kind of hunting squirrels, rabbits, whatever the heck I can right now. Just get some more meat. I'm gonna say it again. I want to change my channel name, so put it down in the comments what you think it should be. I just saw a squirrel not that long ago, but nowhere around here. Sometimes there's rabbits in here. Yeah, all headshots except for the raccoon. Raccoon, I kind of just said screw it and shot at it. Because it was up in a tree. I'm like really hot right now. It's a little overdressed right now. Hoping a freaking rabbit comes out of here. Really like to shoot another one. Yeah, the squirrel I shot, honestly, I think that was a lucky shot. I mean, he was up in the tree. All I could see was his head. And that's it. Got him right in the mouth and in the eye, so that's pretty good. I just feel like it was great there. Yeah, I don't know what time I have to be back home, but I don't think it's like the last time. Last time was a little too quick. I might go back to the school hot spot pretty quickly. But I don't know, because I'm approaching the rabbit hot shot. I keep saying hot spot. Doesn't appear to be anything there. Alright, well, I'm going to the school. God, I can't. My mind is just bleh today. Let me go to the rabbit hot spot. Yeah, today, just a really good day for rabbits and squirrels, I guess. I mean, I've been seeing plenty. I mean, for Pete's sakes, I shot 2. And a raccoon. That's my first time ever even seeing a raccoon in the woods. Let alone shooting one. Most rabbits I find out of here end up getting spooked out. So they're like hiding under these trees. The rabbit I shot today, I was looking where I usually see rabbits by my blind, and saw him, and I was like, well, looks like I'm not gonna get skunked today. Shot him, so yeah. I'm surprised I haven't seen any rabbits in here yet. There's always rabbits here. Huh. Well, darn it. Wait. Wait. There's a rabbit right there. Got him. Wait. How the heck did I just do that? Oh crap, he's still going. Oh frick, I only wounded him. Wow. Just wow. Wow. Oh, that was awesome. Guys, I don't know how I just did that. I just tried sticking my phone in my mouth. I got it to where it just fit. Whole. Wait. Alright, I thought I heard something. Alright. I'm pretty sure he's dead, but okay, yeah, he's done. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to put this in the title now, warning graphic. Alright, here, I gotta sit down a second, because I gotta put it in my back. I'll just, yeah, there. Don't worry, guys. This is not for sport purposes. This is for, well, alright. It's not just where I'm shooting them just for the heck of it. We're gonna end up eating them, so. Yeah, I gotta put a warning so my channel doesn't get banned or the video doesn't get banned. Oh, dang. I didn't notice I used all my shots. Hey, you guys wanna see something cool? Well, I thought it was cool. Alright, so got my shell in there. Bam! Just like that. It only holds three shells right now because he's got a blocker in there, but I always still check it to be sure. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I do not shoot to wound and then watch them suffer. I shoot to kill, but I should have realized my mistake. His butt was facing me, so I shot him in the butt and ended up only wounding him. But I was humane about it and shot him when I had the chance again. So don't give me any hate for doing the right thing. Because there are some sick people out there that shoot them to injure them and then watch them suffer. Whew. That's probably 20 pounds of freaking, no, not 20, 10 pounds of animals in my back right now, and I'm way overdressed. Alright. And the hunt continues. Guys, I only got like 3 minutes left, so, of video time, so. Well, that's the first time I've ever been able to get a shot in a video like that. I can guarantee you, not too many people can shove their phone in their mouth quick enough to get a shot like that. Not many people can stick their phone in their mouth at all, but I don't have my case on today, so. Guys, I got like 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes left of video time. So, yeah. Yeah, I usually don't see much in this area here, but on occasion I will. Got about 1.5 minutes left. Alright, you know, I'm just gonna end it here so it doesn't take too long. Well, this was everything I see. See you in the next video.